Hey everybody, Travis here. I just want to make a quick video to show you how to remove all of your back hair with Veet. It's called Veet Professional 2-Minute Cream for your back. So, I don't know, I have one of these back shavers. And then you can kind of shave your back like that. Here, let me go look in the mirror like this and stuff. But then you get a hair, or your back is kind of like sandpaper and real prickly. And it's hard to put Veet or any lotion on your back by yourself. So I came up with a unique way to put hair removal cream on your back. This is for all you guys. Well, there might be some girls out there and ladies that have back hair, so maybe you should pay attention to this too. But this is how you can do this by yourself if you don't have anyone to rub it on your back for you. And I just kind of tried this. I was trying to think of a way to do it, and it just came to me, so I tried it and it worked like magic. So I'm gonna set the tripod up and turn you around and show you what I'm gonna do here. All right, so there's that. So we're gonna set it up like this, and here's how it is. Here's what it is. See that? That's a trash bag, right? So spread a trash bag open, squirt all your Nair lotion all over it and rub it all over it. Now here's how you do it. You take this and you put it on just like a cape. So I can put this on my back just like this, and then wrap it all the way around. Okay. And now I lean against the wall and make sure it gets all over my back, right? And now I just leave it on my back for 2 minutes, right? I don't know if you can see that in there. And now I have full coverage on my back. So leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes. Take it off, and then you can take a towel. So just take a towel and kind of hold it in each hand and go back and forth down your back. And you'll remove all the hair, and then jump in the shower, obviously, and clean yourself up. And then you can shave your face and chest if you do that, or whatever. But that is how fast and easy way to put hair removal cream on your back for all you guys out there. Maybe somebody already thought of this, but I don't know. I've never watched a video, never seen it before, and thought it'd just be kind of cool to show you guys that if you ever don't have anyone to put lotion on your back. I'm a single guy, and I mean, I have women around, but I don't always ask them to rub. Hey, you want to rub some Nair on my back? But this will work for you. Anyway, have a good one. See you later. And after removing the trash bag from my back and let that stuff sit on my back I let it sit for about 5 minutes. I took a towel and rolled it up, or not even rolled it up, just grabbed one in each hand and put it across my back, and then went back and forth down my back, and all the hair came off, like nothing left. My back is as smooth as a baby's ass, and you'll be able to see it in the mirror. It's Yeah, completely bare. And you can't get any closer than that unless you get your back waxed. And I've done that before, and it's been very painful. And I mean, I do it just because then I get rid of the hair on my back. But anyway, this is just a quick, poor man's way, easy way. Just, you can get it done in 10 minutes. I mean, get a trash bag out, put all the Veet, Nair, whatever you got, put it on there. Put that on your back for a few minutes, take it off, take a towel and run it across your back, go back and forth all the way down your back. And you're gonna be completely hairless on your back. And if you like to work out, you're a bodybuilder or anything like that, you don't like back hair. Like, I don't like back hair. I don't like chest hair. I don't like any of that, you know? And so I try to stay on top of it. But now this is just a really quick and easy way to get it done. And you don't have to go spend $50 to $100 to get a back wax at a salon. Or, I mean, you don't have to try to struggle with one of these back shavers that you can put on your back, and it telescopes in and out. Sometimes it scratches the hell out of your back, but you're always left with a very prickly back because it can't get down to the skin like the Nair or the Veet or whatever. Anyway, I know it's a stupid video. I'm gonna get a lot of people that are gonna hate on me, but that is what it is. It's an easy way to get rid of your back hair if you don't want it. So take it for what it is. Merry Christmas.